hold on. Pull up. Let us start from the beginning.
So try to ignore all the good cars that you see around here and pay attention to my 2002 Audi A4. Got it for really cheap, and today on Revive and Preserve we plan to revive this car because, well, it has a lot of potential and, well, I like it, so why not? Friends will say I have too many cars, but I say I don't have enough. And obviously this is the problem. Please excuse the lighting, it is horrible in here. It is not my shop, so in future episodes it will get better. But this is the infamous and not loved at all 3.0 engine that I don't know what the previous owner did, but it went kaput. So I'm in hopes and dreams that I could finally get this car running and put it back on the road and keep it going for years to come. Please don't mind the mess or any leaves or anything like that you see. I stored it at a friend's house and it was outside to the elements, but the body is fairly clean except for maybe some dents right here. Other than that, it's really good. I like it. And if you're wondering, I already have a replacement fender, so in the same color, so that's good. And I'll just go through the different things that's wrong with it, which is many things. But over time, it will become a masterpiece. Well, what I hope to be a masterpiece, and at least cleaned up. So, until next time. Alright everyone, before I bolt up the flywheel to the engine, I wanted to make sure that the clutch actually fits and it works. So, or, well, I guess fits. Hopefully it works. So, let's see. And I'm kind of paranoid about fitment right now. So, trying not to delay the progress because of bad purchases. And seems as if it's a go. So, all right. Put this back. This is the kit. Everything looked good. Never had a problem buying from this particular company. So, let's get to it.
One eternity later.
Flywheel is on, and this is probably the quickest I've ever put a flywheel on. I don't know if it's similar to the 2.7 and I just happen to get the combination right, or they're equally spaced, but I believe on the 2.7 the flywheel goes on only one way, so the gaps between the bolts are slightly different. But hey, it's on, and next is to torque it down to the correct specs.